ICT traders are the most arrogant people you can ever meet. You can be a multi-millionaire trader, but hey, you didn't take this FVG, like it was supposed to. They'll literally be broke as fuck and try to tell you how the market actually moves. And the problem isn't ICT itself. Well, he waffles a lot and he's a bit arrogant, right? But the problem isn't his strategy, but it's how basic it became and the idea it portrays to people that market moves a certain way. And if you can't accept uncertainty in the market, you're gonna get screwed. Because you're gonna take a loss, you're not gonna understand it. It was just normal because no one has a 100% win rate, and you're gonna go at it again, go get more losses, and it's gonna hurt your mind because price isn't doing what it's supposed to do. The thing is, price isn't concerned about you or anyone else, or is subjective to move a certain way. It moves in certain patterns that have constantly repeated throughout time, but all of those have a certain probability of playing out in many different ways. And because its popularity got so big, the strategy also got super basic. You got people trading simple continuations, and all their strategy is just, okay, break a structure, order block, boom. That's it. And you're gonna be eaten by smart money traps, which you don't know what those are. That's okay, just go to my channel. And then you can have one guy consistently shorting because of that continuation, and then one guy waiting for the liquidity sweep and buying. So you have two ICT traders that are supposedly trading the same strategy, but they have completely opposite bias. So how does that work? And then you have model this, model that, IVG this, suck my dick that. And you have all these names and rebranding stuff that already existed, and it's just too much because you don't need everything, right? Yes, there might be 0.01% of ICT traders that are actually profitable, but I can guarantee you that they didn't pick the whole lot of things. They just picked one or two confluences, maybe 3, 4, some module, and they made it work out by just make it simple. I used to think that the more simple the strategy is, the more likely it will become profitable, but it's a total opposite. I can guarantee you that the more simple it is, the more simple you understand it and actually visualize the opportunity in front of you, and will be less likely to second guess yourself by saying, do I take it, do I not? And you don't click the button and you miss out on a winning opportunity. So you don't need to overcomplicate things. You don't need to trade ICT. You don't need to be arrogant because there's other strategies and there's other ways of making money in the markets. Anything can work. And another very valid reason for why ICT doesn't work is because my whole strategy is based upon getting them stopped out. So yeah, if you don't know, I trade liquidity, and following that, smart money traps, right, which is even more advanced liquidity. So whenever they get stopped out is when I make money. But of course, I also get stopped out. I am not the best. I'll not be an ICT trader and be arrogant to y'all, but I am 300K max allocation on funding pips now. Okay, so all glory to the one above. But yeah, whether they're profitable or I'm profitable, I'll let you decide that.